Good morning, everyone. It is Julie here with your Wednesday morning stock market news, where we're bringing you up to speed with what you need to know as the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. You know the drill. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you want to unlock some fantastic research tools and see the latest analyst ratings for yourself, you can download the TipRanks mobile app with the link down below and also get 10% off premium and ultimate subscriptions. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are mixed this morning. Right now, Dow futures are down 0.75%, while S&P 500 futures are up 0.33%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.20%. Elon Musk hosted Tesla's annual shareholder event in Texas yesterday. They discussed a variety of topics, including trying out traditional advertising for the first time. While the EV maker has traditionally avoided advertising all these years, relying on word of mouth, Elon Musk did say, "We'll try a little advertising and see how it goes." On the product front, he did reaffirm that Tesla will start deliveries of its much-delayed Cybertruck this year, expecting to deliver 250 to 500,000 units per year once production commences. He also teased about two new products, saying that both the design and manufacturing techniques are head and shoulders above anything else, but that this would be launched properly later on. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 22%. Now, not necessarily related to a specific stock, maybe Microsoft at best, but important information. OpenAI's CEO is testifying before Congress, emphasizing the need for guardrails around the emerging AI industry. Sam Altman said that "We think regulatory intervention by governments will be critical to mitigate the risk of increasingly powerful models. As this technology advances, we understand that people are anxious that it could change the way we live. We are too, but we believe that we can and must work together to manage the potential downsides so that we can all enjoy the tremendous upsides." Shares of Manchester United are in the green this morning after the Qatari group increased their bid to purchase the soccer club. The buzz about the potential sale of the club has been going on for months now, and after the bids last month, Jim Ratcliffe, the owner of British chemicals giant Ineos Group, had appeared to be the frontrunner of the club. But the Qatari group has now come out with a revised bid closer to £5 billion. It is said that this would still fall short of a reported valuation from rival bidders of nearly £6 billion. Their stock currently just has one analyst rating, coming in with a price target of $25. And shares of Western Alliance Bank are in the green, currently up 9%, after they said their quarter-to-date deposit growth was over $2 billion. The bank did drop about 46% after the failures of Silicon Valley and Signature Bank, but they did provide a quarter-to-date update, mapping out their plans to bolster their balance sheet and enhance their capital base. Their insured deposits increased to more than 79% of deposits as of May 12th, up from 68% as of March 31st. The stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 70%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the after hours today, we'll be hearing from Cisco Systems, Take-Two Interactive, and Synopsys. Last night, we heard from Starbulk Carriers. Their stock is in the green this morning after an earnings and revenue beat, but the company did cut their dividend by 42%. They'll now pay a quarterly dividend of 35 cents per share for a forward yield of 7.7%. For their Q1, they reported earnings per share of 44 cents, beating expectations by 14 cents per share, and revenue of $224 million, which beat by over $60 million, but did decrease nearly 38% year over year. The stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average price target of $30. Moving to the pre-market this morning, we did hear from retailer Target. Their stock is ever so slightly in the red after issuing an earnings and revenue beat, but soft earnings forecast. They said that inventory issues as well as retail theft are expected to loom over the company in coming quarters. They think it will reduce this year's profitability by more than $500 million compared to last year. They reported a Q1 earnings per share of $2.05, coming in 29 cents ahead of estimates, and revenue of $25.32 billion was fairly flat year over year, but came in $40 million ahead of estimates. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 15%. We also heard from Dynatrace. Their stock is well into the green following their earnings and revenue beat. Their subscription revenue of $293 million was up 28%, and their Q4 earnings per share of 31 cents beat by 9 cents per share. Revenue of $314.48 million beat by nearly $10 million and grew nearly 25% year over year. Analysts currently rate their stock a strong buy with an average price target of $48, which they've already exceeded this morning. Also in the pre-market, we'll be hearing from TJX and Wix.com. Now let's see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by the Western Alliance Bank following their positive deposit news. Trading under the ticker WAL, the stock is currently up over 11%. They're followed by Keysight Technologies under KEYS, up nearly 7.9%, and Extreme Networks under EXTR, up about 7.3%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by Doximity after they had disappointing future guidance in their recent earnings. Trading under the ticker DOCS, the stock is down 9.8%. They're followed by RLX Technology under the ticker RLX, down 8.5%, and Kyndryl Holdings under KD, down 7.8%. So that is going to be everything for Wednesday morning's stock market news, getting you up to speed with what you need to know as the market opens. If you made it to the end, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments. I always love hearing from you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.